Welcome to English, You and Me. In today's lesson, let's practice a real-life English conversation at a coffee shop. You'll learn useful phrases that native speakers use every day.
Hi there. What can I get for you today?
Hi, could I have a medium latte, please?
Of course. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. Oh, and can you add an extra shot of espresso?
Sure thing. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thanks.
All right, that'll be $4.50.
In English, you can say, "Can I have a medium latte, please?" Or, "Could I have a medium latte, please?" Both are correct. Can I have is more casual and common in everyday speech, while could I have sounds a little more polite and formal. So, if you want to sound extra polite, use could I have, but don't worry. Native speakers use can I have all the time too.
Your latte will be ready in a minute.
Thanks.
No problem. By the way, do you have our rewards card?
Oh, no, I don't. How does it work?
You earn points for every drink, and you get a free coffee after 10 purchases.
Sounds great. I'll sign up next time.
Small talk helps make conversations friendly and natural.
Here you go. One hot latte with an extra shot.
Thank you. It smells amazing.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.
Let's review today's useful phrases. Practice these lines out loud and try using them the next time you order coffee. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-life English lessons. See you next time.